Might be my bag right there, but there's nobody up here.
So many of you guys have asked, what are some things to avoid when picking up orders? We're going to get into those 5 things today. Let's go. So here are 5 quick things to avoid when you're out there trying to make money in the gig economy delivery space. Now, you want to stay away from restaurants that historically have long wait times. In your market, that could be a McDonald's, a Chipotle, whatever. You got to learn it. It could be different in each market. But historically, if it's a long wait, try to stay away unless the money's really, really, really good. Also, you want to park in spots that allow you to leave easily and in the direction of your drop-off destination. So you don't want to park in a spot where it's going to make you make a crazy left out of the parking lot that might hold you up. Sometimes it's better to park away a little further, walk a little bit into the destination, get back in your ride. That way you can leave easier because it's all about effective time management when we're out here in the delivery game.
Hey, what's up, man?
Now, the third thing you want to avoid is don't be shy. Announce yourself when you arrive at merchants. Don't be rude or cut lines, but let the staff know you are there. This can and will save you a lot of time when you walk into establishments. The fourth thing you want to avoid when you're dealing with merchants, restaurants, avoid negative interactions. Be patient, be kind. A lot of these places are super busy, understaffed, right? And we need them to make money. So when you're walking into these places, announce yourself, right? But be kind, patient, and courteous. And if there's issues, try to fix them. If the order's not right, if something's going on, be communicative with the consumer, the merchant, make decisions. Maybe sometimes you have to unassign orders. That happens. But treat the restaurant staff with respect. It will pay you back in the long run. And the fifth thing to avoid during pickups is don't even select things that maybe are out of your capabilities. Maybe it's shop and pays, that the weight is too much, it's too heavy for you. Those things will add stress and frustration. Also, avoid drive-through lines during peak times. The drive-through lines will take you a lot of time in certain markets. McDonald's, Wendy's, those kind of places historically have long drive-through lines. Try to avoid those during peak times to maximize your time and the money that you can make. And select places where you could walk in, pick it up off a shelf, and keep moving.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you.
So what are some things that you guys avoid at pickups? What did we miss? Let us know in the comments down below. Also, how long have you been working in the gig economy for DoorDash, Uber? Maybe it's RideShare, maybe it's Instacart, maybe you're a shopper. How long have you been doing it? Let us know in the comments down below. Share your experiences and your thoughts, and I'll see you next Sunday.